Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Commerce Piece. Today I am going to explain you the very first topic of your class 11 business studies subject chapter 1, that is human activities. What comes to your mind when you heard the term human activities? Let's see a very basic and simple definition of the term human activities. All the activities of human beings performed in their daily life are called human activities. See, the activities of human beings. People are doing different types of activities in their day-to-day life. What they are termed as? They are generally termed as human activities. For example, if a teacher is teaching in a class, if a doctor is treating his patients, if a person is doing the meditation, what are all these? These are generally called as human activities. Now, based on their nature, purpose and objectives, human activities can be categorized into the following two activities. The first is the economic activity, the second is the non-economic activity. As I told you, human activity is a general term. So, what we are doing based on the type of the activity, the motive behind doing that activity, we are dividing the human activity into the economic activity and the non-economic activity. First is the economic activity. All the activities undertaken with the aim of earning money are called economic activities. Here you can see the main aim behind doing these activity is to earn some money. So all the activities which involves the motive of earning money comes under the category of the economic activities. Economic activities involves production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. If a producer is producing some goods, why he is taking the transformation of the raw materials to the finished goods? Because he wants to earn some profit. Likewise, the distribution and consumption of goods and services also comes under the category of the economic activities because they are undertaken with the aim of earning money only. A man is engaged in these to earn his livelihood. Like I said earlier also, the main aim of the economic activity is to earn the money. Similarly, a person is involved in these type of activities because he wants to earn his livelihood, because he wants to satisfy the basic necessities of the life, that is the food, shelter and clothing. So the economic activities are undertaken by the people to satisfy their basic necessities of life. Let me give you some examples for a clear understanding. The first is a person working in a factory. See, if a person is working in a factory the whole day, why he is working? Because he wants to earn some money. He wants to get some wage or salary from his employer to satisfy his basic necessities. A shopkeeper selling goods. A shopkeeper is selling goods to earn some profit. So again, this is an economic activity. So these are the examples of the economic activities because the main motive behind doing these type of activity is to earn some money. So these type of activities are called as the economic activities. Now let's see what are the types of economic activities. All the economic activities can be further classified into the following three types. The first is the profession, the second is the employment, and the third is the business. What is a profession? The job that requires special skill and knowledge on the part of the person doing the job is called a profession. For example, doctors, engineers, lawyers. These types of jobs requires special skills and knowledge. The second is the employment. When we talk about employment, employment is a contract of service between the employer and the employee, where the employer hires the employee for doing a specific job in return for the remuneration to the employee. The third is the business. All the activities related to the production, distribution, and sale of goods and services comes under the business because it is carried out with the profit motive. So it is called as a business. The second type of human activity is the non-economic activity. When we say non-economic activity, non-economic means it is the opposite of economic activity. The definition is the activities performed voluntarily by the human beings out of love and affection, charity, sympathy, blood relation, religious or obligation are called non-economic activity because they are not intended to earn the money. You can see clearly here that the main intention behind doing these activity is not to earn the money. So it is called as a non-economic activity. For example, if a person is giving to an NGO, NGO is nothing but the non-government organizations which do the social work for the people. So if a person is giving some charity or donations to the charitable organizations or to the NGOs, his main intention is not to earn the money or his intention is not to earn the profit. He is doing for a social cause. So it becomes a non-economic activity. The second is these activities do not result in payment. Do not result in payment. These activities, as it is done willingly by the human beings, nobody pays to no one. So these type of activities does not result in any type of payment. Let me give you some more examples. Like if a housewife doing a household work, is she doing for any payment or salary? No, she is not doing. So these type of activities, it becomes a non-economic activity. Let me give you some more examples. Charities. As I gave you the example before also, if we are giving to charitable organization, we are doing charity. If we are giving donations, these are all non-economic activities because here the intention is the social cause or the psychological satisfaction. Here the intention is not to earn money by doing these type of activities. So these type of activities, it becomes a non-economic activity. Thank you friend for watching my video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much.